Serious questions tonight about the healthcare company Metro uses inside the Davidson County Jail. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rory Johnston.
And I'm Carrie Sharp. Now, this comes after a mentally ill woman hung herself in her cell. Her family is blaming cost-cutting measures by the medical provider and also by Metro.
Investigative reporter Ben Hall found that company faces questions nationwide.
Metro uses Wellpath to provide medical care in its jails. But just a few months ago, U.S. senators wrote this letter expressing deep concern that Wellpath is providing inadequate care in prisons and jails across the country.
I lost my best friend. It's just been horrible.
Beth York was Christmas shopping for her daughter when the jail called to tell her she had died.
I got the phone call. I was a mess. I was like, there is no way this could have happened in a controlled environment.
Jackie York was born into a loving home. Around age 15, she started struggling with mental illness. She kept it under control until a bizarre incident during the pandemic. She went into a gas station and said, "I have a weapon and need money." She then waited for police and was arrested.
It was through COVID, and she was, I guess, everybody being isolated, she was struggling.
In jail, her mental health issues worsened. Medical records show the jail and its medical provider, Wellpath, were well aware of her mental health history. But despite multiple warnings and threats over several months, the 25-year-old managed to hang herself in her cell.
My daughter cried out for help when she was in jail. They did not help her and they did not protect her. They did not follow protocol.
York is suing Metro and Wellpath, which also provides medical care in jails across the country, claiming cost-cutting and negligence led to Jackie's death. On December 19th, 2 days before she died, Jackie attempted suicide by hanging herself with a bedsheet in her cell. Inmates alerted corrections officers, according to the lawsuit, but they took no action and failed to report it. On December 21st, Jackie urgently requested mental health care because she was hearing voices screaming inside her head. But instead of seeing a doctor, Wellpath chose to allow a social worker to treat her.
In an attempt to cut costs, Wellpath had somebody who wasn't qualified to provide the services that was clearly needed.
Attorney Ben Rabin said the social worker simply sent Jackie back to her cell with no oversight, where she again used her bedsheet to hang herself.
At facilities all over the country, Wellpath is failing to provide the care that is required to be given to inmates.
The lawsuit claims Wellpath is notorious for providing inadequate care to inmates. Just last year, 6 U.S. senators sent this letter to Wellpath. They criticized the company, citing inadequate staffing, hiring underqualified medical professionals, and inadequate mental health care as areas of deep concern.
If they would have put my daughter in suicide watch, I would still have my daughter today, and that is the truth.
Beth York obtained medical records showing the numerous times her daughter threatened suicide in the jail. She cannot believe a social worker sent her back to her cell, unsupervised, with a bedsheet.
The guards completely failed my daughter. The mental health failed my daughter.
The lawsuit also claims the highest-ranking corrections officer in the jail covered up the suicide attempt on December 19th by failing to report it.
The cover-up by the sheriff's office, at least by that employee, is extremely concerning and certainly was at least a factor leading up to Jackie's death.
The sheriff's office later sanctioned the officer for unsatisfactory job performance after he agreed he should have reported York's attempted suicide. The officer was not sanctioned for dishonesty.
It's just heartbreaking. I mean, what is going on in there? It's very heartbreaking.
Beth York says her daughter deserved better. So do those dealing with mental illness. She prays this does not happen to someone else.
I'm trying to save lives. If somebody would have done this for us, maybe my daughter still would be alive.
York had been sentenced to mental health court, but the lawsuit says she clearly did not receive the help she needed. Wellpath and the sheriff's office declined to comment. Ben Hall, News Channel 5 investigates.
Thank you, Ben. If there's an issue in our community that you think needs some light shed on it, well, let us know. Send an email to our Investigates team. Real simple. The address is investigate at newschannel5.com.